To set up a HuddleIQ account, visit HuddleIQ.com and click on Sign Up for free. Enter your name, email address, and password. Then, agree to HuddleIQ's terms and privacy policy by clicking the appropriate box. If you'd like to receive news and updates, select the corresponding option. Click Get Started. Next, you'll see some options to customize your account. The organization name defaults to your first name, but you can change it if desired. Specify whether the account is for business or education to tailor the platform's features. Choose your time zone, which will also apply to any new members added later. After reviewing your selections, click Let's Get Started to access the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll find a What's New section highlighting recent feature updates. A guided tour of the dashboard will also be provided. Make sure to verify your account by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Without verification, you won't be able to send invites or add members. If you don't receive the email, click the provided link to resend it. Once your email is verified, you'll have full access to HuddleIQ.